little seasoning swap turns taco night into something really special. This recipe is kissed with a Korean flair. It's a quick and easy weeknight dinner winner that boasts plenty of flavor. Everyone say hello to our good friend Wendy Paul. She is rescuing dinner yet again.
Yes, let's rescue it.
Wendy to the dinner rescue.
Okay.
So this is something you could do instead of your regular taco night.
Right, like let's switch things up a bit.
Yes.
Let's stop getting in a rut. Dinner rut. Let's do something
There's an
different.
unintentional theme to today's
I think
conversation.
so. I think so, but this definitely fits that theme. So instead of traditional taco night, I switched out some flavors that are super simple and made it a Korean taco night. And everybody loved it.
Anyone else getting hungry just by the smell? It smells amazing in here. So what do you have going?
Okay, so right now I've got my ground beef going. I'm just browning it in a little bit of olive oil.
Okay.
You could use ground turkey, even chicken if you wanted, but I really love the flavor of the beef with the spice.
Because you're gonna put some heavier.
Yeah, we're gonna make the sauce.
Yeah.
So the sauce is what's really key.
Okay.
Okay, so I've got some sesame oil just right in here. And we're gonna add some green onion.
Okay.
Okay. Yum, oh my gosh. I'm so excited already. Okay, we've got some garlic and some ginger puree, or you could even mince it, but I like the puree, okay? Some brown sugar, because we want to have a little bit of savory and sweet, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Some olive oil again, okay?
And is this a sauce for the meat, I should
This
have
is
asked?
the sauce for the meat.
For the meat, okay.
Yes, and some soy sauce. You could also use coconut aminos too, okay? All right, and then, because my kids like it a little spicy.
Where do they get that?
I know, from their mother. Okay, so just a couple of shakes of hot sauce. You could also do red pepper flakes too here if you wanted, or just forget about it if you don't want the hot.
Or we would just skip. Hand in the air.
Yep, forget about it, right?
Mild girl, my friend is spicy. Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna pour that into the meat.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna turn it off. Pour it into the meat. Yum.
Already cooked.
Meat's already cooked, so you're just gonna let it kind of meld together, simmer.
We can smell it, we can hear it.
I know, doesn't that just smell so incredible?
This is slowly becoming a form of food torture, isn't it? Yes.
All right, so there you go. So your meat's done.
Great.
Should we assemble a taco?
Let's do it, sister.
So I did char these corn tortillas.
On purpose?
Ask me, yes.
Okay.
Ask me how many I caught on fire.
Okay.
3.
This is why we're also friends. Yeah.
So it happens to the best of us.
Why char it?
I love the flavor.
Really?
I love the flavor of a little bit of a char on your tortilla.
I wish my family loved the flavor.
If you don't love it, just warm them.
Yeah, okay.
Just warm them. Okay, but for me, it's charred. Okay, so you've got your tortillas. I like to do 2.
Double up.
Double it up, and then you're gonna put some meat mixture in it.
And what goes on top? Because there's already a lot going on with this.
Oh, just wait.
Oh, lady.
Okay, so I did a mixture of kimchi, sesame oil, and a little more brown sugar.
Oh.
Okay, so it's pickled vegetables, pickled cabbage, carrots, or traditional
with a little sweet hint.
Just a little sweet hint. Now, if you don't like pickled vegetables, just do like a coleslaw.
Okay.
Simple, easy peasy.
Okay.
Again, me with the pickled vegetables, onions, right?
Beautiful.
A little bit of some sesame seeds right on top.
For a crunch, is that a texture thing?
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. And then some cilantro, of course.
Oh my goodness, can I have dinner at your house tonight?
Yes, you can.
Okay,
yes, you can.
Look at that.
So that is your taco.
Beautiful, a squirt of lime on top.
Squirt of lime on top.
Does anyone else want to invite themselves over for dinner?
Yes.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Wendy, thank you so much.
Such a great meal.
Okay, we've mixed up your regular dinner night, and we'll remind you this recipe and all of the recipes we share here on Studio 5 are available on the Studio 5 website.